You have a blueprint to your evolution. Here's the first step. The first thing that you want to do is you want to strip every identity that you have for yourself. The father, the significant other, like strip every aspect of how you identify with yourself. And then you question the identity that is left. What's there when you strip away all of those different aspects of yourself? When you're not the CEO, when you're not a business owner, when you're not a father, when you're not uh, a brother, when you're not a husband, when you're not a wife, when you strip away all of those things, what is left? If you really pay attention, what's left is going to be a divine essence that's still there. That from that divine essence, you're able to participate in all of these other areas of your life. So your blueprint is simply a spiritual evolution within yourself. And once you recognize that evolution within you, you can only grow.